After the page mapping option, we are coming next to the sign in and the pop-up options. With the theme, we are also giving a functionality where you can display the login page as a pop-up, and the register functionality can also be displayed on the pop-up action. Okay, so you can find these options inside the general setting, general, and sign in the pop-up option. Enable the pop-up, publish, and you have option to enable pop-up for login only or the register, or for both of them. Okay, by default I'm going to select for the both of them, and you can also select on which page they will be redirected after the login. Like when you're using login pop-up, you can keep them on the same page, or you can send them to the profile page, activity page, or any custom page. Okay, and once I have enabled these settings, I can go and test inside the incognito mode. Okay, here when you're clicking on the login pop-up, it is going to display like this one, and the registration is going to display like this one. So this is the site title. You can change this text: first name, last name, username, your email, your password. These are the field which we are displaying on the registration, and the registration has two more options like this. We have three different mode for the registration pop-up. First is the basic, so it will display the basic field: first name, last name, username, email, and the password. That is selected by default. And the standard field, when we are going to utilize only the basic field like username, email, and the password, are non-editable field here. Okay, so when I'm going to enable the standard option, it look like this one. Register, you can see that username, email, name, and the password. And after this one, we have extended field option. What's the change between the standard and the basic one? Let me show you. First of all, this is the fresh installation, so I have to go to the user section, profile fields. Inside the profile field, we have couple of fields already created. So there's a sign up field option. By default, there's a name selection. I'm going to include a new field, add new field. And you can keep it as a text box or the text area and the save. And this field can be enabled for the registration one, edit, and I'm going to move that for the sign up one. So this field we are going to include on the sign up page, this one. And now when we are going to check the incognito mode, so any field item what we have included on the registration section, that is going to be displayed in the standard approach. Okay, so that is the difference between basic. Basic is the predefined set, and the sign up is going to include additional field what we are including into the sign up fields. Okay, the next option is related to the extended one. So inside the extended one, it will display the basic field, and the remaining field will be populated on the register page when they had selected that option. Okay, so I have enabled this option here. Now I'm going to the register page again, register. Now you can